What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, another explore education vibes. That's what's going on today. I'm in an abandoned school. I haven't actually seen it done many a times on the internet, or well, either I haven't seen it or I just haven't been looking properly, but drove past it, found it, looks pretty cool. Let's get into it. As you can see, it is trashed. There's some cool little features, some half decent tagging in here, etc. Apologies for the noise, but I'm literally walking on glass to glass. Cooker still in here. We'll get on into it properly and around here now, guys. It's just, thought I would show you the little cool entrance way. We've got Kurt. Say what's up to Kurt.
Alright.
Let's get into it. Very like 70s vibes and a lot of it, 80s prefabs. Now it's a bit windy in here, GoPro's not the best for wind, etc. Big old sign to have in here. Just the rooms of where we just were. Place literally couldn't be more smashed up if you tried. It's just staff area, I would say, storage areas. That's where we want to get, guys, out these little prefab buildings into the main block. It reminds me very much of a school up around Kidderminster area. You'll probably know it. It's trashed like this, it's burnt like this. Well, let's get some education completed today. As you can see, Welsh first, that gives you some sort of idea of where we are. This means we're not in South Wales. Are we in West Wales? Are we in North Wales? Reception. Nice. I don't know where to go first, guys. Staff only. I'm guessing this would be the main entrance. There's the stairs. Let's do some downstairs first. I like all the staff only bits. That's where I want to go. Hoping none of these cables are live. Storerooms. Just not a slam of doors behind me. Cabinets. You can hear doors smashing everywhere. Got all that carpet is in there. It's way back in the day. Possibly an IT room. Man, where was you? I couldn't wait any longer. Message me on Facebook. P.S. Get to London, I'm sorry. As you do. This is an old building. You can tell that just going in here. Hotel, main entrance. Smaller pod classrooms. Sink by the window. Heating system. Toilets. Not small. Well, one of them's not smashed. Gotta say, guys, this place doesn't have a very good flow, if that makes sense. It's almost like you're walking back on yourself to get anywhere in here. As you can hear, that's a main road. A map. Survey map. It's nice, some shots in here though. As you can hear, the doors are slamming everywhere in here. I'm gonna get some camera shots, we'll pick this up in a minute. Alright, let's go do that stairs. And doors. As you can hear, it's bloody windy in here and everything is just slamming. You can see straight through. essentially a wind tunnel. What do you think of all the doors slamming?
Huh?
What do you think of all the doors slamming in here?
Jesus.
This is the pink room. Some of the
Definitely,
Sammy the Slave. Oh, jeez.
definitely a little bit better.
It's harder in here, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
They don't flow very well in here though.
It's a really old type of school.
The old Belfast sink. Worth a bit of money for recreation yard.
I want to say it's probably closed in like 2000.
It's been a while, hasn't it? It's just got no flow with it, if that makes sense. You gotta walk.
I don't think it's because of the damage either. I just think that
It's gotta be a primary school, hasn't it, as well?
it looks like a
You
very
think? Oh.
retro school.
Wagwan officer. I love it. We'll get a picture of that later. I think the kids have been back here drawing on the walls. What gets me, everywhere you go, you've got to walk back on yourself. There's another stairs there.
Yeah, anyway.
We'll go there. Right, it's the descent. Right, I found a maintenance record on the wall that said 2008. Kurt's found the candle that says 2010. So there's a lot of stuff going on in the last 8 to 10 years here. It's surprising because it's right by houses as well, so you know, look at the floppy drives, man.
Nails.
Cheers, bro. This is added a bit, isn't it?
Oh, this room's kind of cool. Conference room, Jordan.
Finance section. Ah. We found.
I don't even know what it is. It would have had like a TV screen.
Well,
But it's
no.
got all. Look. Come this side. It's got all buttons now. What's that?
It's got to be some old school computer. Look at the floppy drive as well on
What is
it.
it? A PC then?
It's got to be, hasn't it? Something like that. It's a floppy drive. No smoking.
This was a conference room. See what I mean? Couldn't have closed in 2008. That wouldn't have been around in 2008.
Some stuff there that you think, yeah, sorry guys, just dropped my tripod. Cheers, bro, thank you. It was a nice little find for the side of the road, mind.
Yeah.
I wouldn't have driven hours for it.
TV's again. Yeah.
We're in the main reception, aren't we?
It looks like it.
Yeah, that's the stairs we went up over there.
Just some nice graffiti back there. Oh, that's very nice.
Bit of tagging. God rotten that is out there, bro.
Look at the old light. I'm surprised that hasn't been scratched up.
Where we looking?
On the roof.
Oh yeah. Oh, the two ones, yeah. What's this record say? 2009 that one says.
Jesus. This school was a bit out of date then.
It would have prefab on prefab. I'm guessing they tried to add them cabins there because there's more students or whatever, and they just literally ran out of space, so they built a new school or closed this down and put them into another one,
Yeah.
etc. But there we go, that's the end of the education vibes. You know, we've had the holiday vibes in the last video because that's where I'm going to do it. Now we've had the education vibes. Good to be out with my buddy Kurt. Go over and check his channel out, link in the description. And yeah, I'll see you all soon, guys. Boss out.